Hi guys, good morning. Cruise Control Mark's Garage. So guys, nandito tayo sa Antipolo at nag-install ng cruise control dito sa Camry XB50 2015. Camry 2.5G. So ayun na guys yung cruise control. Okay, ito po cruise control. Okay, tapos ito po yung indicator niya. Ayan. Okay, ayos. Gumagana guys. 2015 Camry G 2.5. Okay, dito lang yan guys sa Cruise Control Mark's Garage. Yes.